Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I normally curl my hair in collaboration with Duvolle. Thank you Duvolle for sending me this product, and also look how amazing these curls are. And if you want to see how I achieve these curls, then keep on watching. Just make sure you don't skip this part, you guys, because you don't want to damage your hair by using like curling iron or curling wand, or even if you're straightening your hair and you're not putting, you know, heat protectant in your hair. And I also put like already my Olaplex bond, this one right here, which is the number 6. I love this one, and also the bond oil. Alright, so I'm just gonna start here and take maybe like this, because I like a big curly curls. I like big curls, so I'm gonna just take just like this amount of hair and start curling. Like 10 to 15 seconds, or maybe like 20 seconds. So release it, and I'll have to just like clamp it for like 5 seconds. And I don't know if you guys can see that it's really big and wavy. So like I said, I do it like vice versa towards my hair, and also inward, so it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't look the same. And I count, like I said, 5 to 15 seconds. It's up to you if you want it like really curly. And I clamp it like so. This front of my hair, both, I always go towards my hair, not inwards. And I leave about 1 to 2 like inch of hair in the like tip. That's what my hairstylist told me. So it has like, look, that beachy waves kind of curls. And I tend to leave or curl my front around 20 seconds, so it has that like nice bouncy looking hair. And so far this one is really doing great. And I'll just clamp it. Do you see that curl? See how big and wavy it is? I'm still not done, but that's how they look like. They're nice and big curls. I'm not gonna brush it off yet because I'm gonna wait till I'm done with this hair. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this on this side. So I'm gonna start on the back, which I'll get like at least, and I also switch the gloves up, and some like this hair, that amount of hair, and I'm gonna curl it towards, so go towards my hair and leaving at least 2 inches right there facing down for, I would say, 10 to 15 seconds. That's my preference, and it's up to you guys if you wanna, you know, longer or less than that, but I like 10-15 seconds. And I'm just slowly, the only thing about curling hair is it takes sometimes forever, because I did have a curling once before, and the heat is just taking like forever, and this one, it heats up like really pretty quick. And if you guys can see, That is so nice and bouncy. I love it. So since I curled towards the next part of hair, I'm gonna curl inwards. And I like the grip of this one. It's nice. There you go. And I'm gonna get, so it's like vice versa. That's really it. What the curl looks like. This is before brushing it, and what do you guys think? I freaking love it. Like, I love it. This is before brushing it, so I'm just gonna make sure that there's no hair strand left, like without curling it, because sometimes in the back there's hair that I forgot to curl. So make sure that you don't miss that part. Just always make sure that you curl every hair. Okay, and this is optional. I normally put like a volumizing texture spray, mix it with the this is the Tresemme Micro Mist. I love this hairspray, you guys. It's Micro Mist. If you don't know what Micro Mist is, this is what but it's micro, like it's freaking amazing. So what I'm gonna do is put a hairspray before like brushing them, and this will hold. I've been using this hairspray as well, and this will hold you for a good like a couple of hours. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Like I said, if you are interested on this curling wand and if you want to purchase it, I do have a 70% discount code for them, so you guys can give this a shot or give it a try. They do sell other curling iron, and they also sell flat irons, and also the Radiant Skincare for your face, so like the brush. So I will leave the link inside on my description box below, and also I'm gonna put the discount code in the screen, or you can check it out on my description box below. So yeah, this is my hair, looks like curled. I freaking love it. I know it may take forever like to curl my hair, especially if you have like long and thick hair, but this one is easy because the curling one is so easy to use and it heat up really quick, so I don't have to wait a couple minutes to heat up. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.